YouTube. Hey man, say man. Can y'all look at this. Look at this God creation right here, man. It's snowing in Georgia. You gotta be kidding me. So you know what, man? It's gonna be a quick little video to show you how I do handle snow in Georgia. I don't care if this bitch got leaves at. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Thank you, God. Thank you, Lord. Thank everybody. I gotta get down. Hey, man. Woo. Y'all don't understand, man. It's actually like, I don't think I had snow since '09, you know? So, you know, what a day. What a beautiful day. I don't know who the hell driving at this time, but shit. Shout out them, they real troopers. But shit. I'm probably gonna make a snowman, call it a day. I don't wanna damage the camera. So let me run, cause it's raining and not freezing, unfortunately. But yeah guys, just had to show y'all that. Bye. To everybody out there in Georgia, you know, how are y'all doing today? Let me know in the comments. This is just, you know, I'll be an idiot to not come out here and have a good time. Now this kind of gives me baby fever because like, honestly, I have nobody to spend this with. Mike's with his girlfriend. I am single as fuck. I mean, I need to find me a Canadian girl. And Ken, you know, Ken has a beautiful family. And Tyler, it's Tyler. Okay, so, I mean, let's see how we can make this fun. Probably get my dad out here, vlog with him a little bit. And yeah, hold on, let me make the thumbnail real quick. Snow right here. Watch out, clickbait you. All right, let's see this. I'm gonna put my head right here. Fake line got hers as it fell. Oh, let me get down on this stuff. Clickbait it, gotcha. Hey man, I just need a little like 10 more clicks, so that's why I clickbaited y'all boys. Snow. Somebody's gonna talk on the ring camera. Hello?
Hi, Kimmy. Hi, Mom. Weston, we love you.
Okay, guys. I'm in my basement right now, so if it looks like I'm in the classroom, that's why. Don't roast me in the comments, you know. Hey, man, say, man, I can't help the ceiling. But anyways, look, man, since I'm at it, I mean, I'm going to give y'all an OOTD real quick. Why not show y'all how I'm dripping on this ice? Pun it, because, you know, drip, because it's snowing and it's going to melt because I'm dripping. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, quick OOTD. Not too much going on, you feel me? The ski. Got my Nike Puffy, you feel me? Let me back a little bit. Nike Puffy. Nike hoodie, you feel me? Nike sweats, you feel me? YouTube, don't ban me. I got pants on with this. My pajama pants. My shorts, you feel me? You feel me? Got the gloves on. See YouTube, I had pants on. Don't take the video down, you feel me? And then I'm gonna show y'all my favorite part. Shout out to my white boy glory days in high school at Union Grove. Shout out my Union Grove people watching this, you feel me? So this makes sense of why I have a pair of these boots, you feel me? Okay guys, are y'all ready to see the boots? Like below. Yes, you right there watching it. Yes, like the video. Okay, thank you. All right, bet. 3, a twosie, a onesie. Got my bean boots, you feel me? Yeah, what can I say?
He needs some
People don't know
milk.
what bean boots are. These were like popular in my high school. What can I say? Oh, what can I say? I got them in high school, you know? Got them to look cool. Really, I was looking lame as hell. I mean, they keep it 100, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go back outside eventually, but I really don't know what to do. Build a snowman? Oh, that's a great idea. I just gave myself an idea. I see it out there. Bye. As you can see, back outside. So I'm gonna set the camera up, and why not make a good old lovely snowman for you guys, the majestic way, if you know what I mean. Let's keep it sweet, oh so simple, oh so majestic, baby. Hey, but look guys, on some serious stuff though, it's just really gonna be me post on the channel like that. Mike, you know, he got his stuff going on. Ken got his stuff going on. Todd got his stuff going on. Then there's me, got my stuff going on, but I actually care about you guys. And I want to make some money off of this. You feel me? I feel like I'm entertaining, so why not? Hopefully y'all enjoy my content here. Like below, comment below, Winse if y'all fucking with me. Ah! Ow! I don't know what just hit me, but I guess nobody messing with me. But hopefully y'all are. I mean, this is solo Winse. I'm on a mission to get monetized this year, you feel me? But, yeah, enjoy the snowman. Enjoy the show, baby. See ya. Okay, guys. This is the setup. Hopefully you guys can see where I'm at. Time to make this snowman. This will be my first snowman ever doing it single. Dang, I wish I had a girl to do this with or somebody to do this with, but not. Oh my gosh, the concrete's hella slippery. Ooh, ooh. I think I can moonwalk on this. Look. Oh, get him. Oh. Hey. All right, guys. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the show. Why not? Be majestic. By the way, we're looking for girl members, so join up. All right, finna go make this snowman. See ya. I am back. Okay, low key, I might have to watch like a TikTok on this. I might have to make a, I might have to do a TikTok video on this because I've literally never done this. So help me out, comments. Help me out, chat. You know. Hopefully this isn't too bad, but let me get straight to it. All right, y'all boys, let me show y'all the little small base I got going so far. I don't know if this is, look, okay, I don't got it in me to make a huge snowman at this point, as I'm, okay, that's a little small ball. We're just gonna make a small little snowman, call him Winston, fuck it, yeah, let's call him Winston. All right, guys, back straight to it, man. How do you make a snowman? Comment in the chat. Comment in the comments. Guys. Ow! Ah! Okay, I got the base. I'll give up. Guys, I officially have retired of trying to make a snowman. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't do it. Still got y'all to click the vid, I don't care. But my hands, I got too cold. I'd hurt my knee somehow. It's cause I'm 28 and shit. So yeah, how beautiful the backyard is. Well, guys, it was a pleasure. If I end up making a snowman, I'll let you guys see. But what a video, why not? Hopefully you guys enjoyed my snow day. It's very boring when you don't have friends or anybody to spend it with. So I really want to throw some balls at a dude's face, no diddy. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy. See y'all again. Majestics out. Alright, y'all boys, I done seen a couple of videos of y'all making snowmans, and you know what, man? I just can't go like that. I gotta make a snowman. Oh, Majestic, just take this as a lesson. You may fail one time, you may fail 2 times, you may fail 20 million gazillion times. It just takes that one time, guys. And this time is right now. I'm gonna make it. I don't give a fuck. Seriously though, I'm gonna make this one. Sorry, I'm just very lit that we have snow. I have not, like, I've been going inside and outside because I just can't help. But look at this. I'm sorry my footprints are all over the place. But, you know, I think I'm going to move it to the backyard. Let's see if the backyard will do anything. But I low-key want to, like, sled back in that bed, too. I ain't going to lie. At my big age, right, I know. But I don't care. So, yeah. See ya. Hey, man, we making a little bit of progress. I ain't going to lie. Hey, I got to get lit out here. I ain't going to lie. Look at that. It's a cool little, that's a cool little. You know, that's a cool little 1-year-old right there, you know? Hey, man, I'm Winse. Nice to meet you. Majestic's Winse. You're Majestic now. Now, when we're done with you, you're going to be the drippiest snowman of all time. Now, guys, let me get back to my built-in girlfriend here. I mean, my built-in snowman here. And, yeah, because I have no friends out here. As you can see, still lonely. I have nobody out here. So it's going to be me and my... Where is it at? Right here? Me and my buddy right there. So yeah, I might set y'all up now because I wasn't expecting it to look that good. Look, guys, I know it doesn't look good. I've never done this before, so give me a break. But we're gonna move with this. All right, see ya. Oh. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, that junk look pretty solid. I ain't gonna lie, that junk do look pretty solid, bruh. Damn, now there's pressure on me. I don't know if I can top that down, gang. But let's see if I can, cause I'm Majestic. But I don't know. I love how this is looking so far, guys. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do this. I'm very proud of myself. I did it. Hey, Majestic, I did it, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, man. I have some eyeballs, some arms to this young man. Hey, yeah, my first snowman, and y'all got to see it. I'm gonna show y'all the final product here shortly. Now, I'm so excited, man. What a big accomplishment. I just want to thank God first and foremost. I want to thank my family, my beautiful family. I want to thank my Toronto girl, cut it, my Vancouver, my future Vancouver wife, wherever you at, I don't know who it is. And then I want to thank me. See ya. Okay, McJustice family, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready to see my, my snow, man? My first snowman of all time? I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm so geeked about this. Y'all just don't know the half. Meet Quinston. Cause I like the name Kim Kardashian and my name Winston, of course. So I named her Quinston. And she is beautiful. What a beauty. See, She has red eyes, a red nose, and a nice, beautiful smile that I low-key messed up. But hey, first time for everything, and I'm documenting this. And one arm is longer than the other, but other than that, I think you're beautiful, you know? How about let's do a mukbang? Mukbang coming soon with me and Quinston, you know? Say, hey, don't be shy. She's shy. Don't be shy, man. You know, they cool, they nice. They're not gonna cancel you. You're a snow woman. You can't be canceled, okay? So just say how you feel. Talk to him, talk. No worries, she's still shy, but eventually she'll talk. But you know what? I'm so proud of myself. Like, that's an understatement. I think I could get an MVP trophy, Super Bowl ring, and not be as happy as I am right now. So yeah, shout out you, Quinston, for making me this happy. And oh shit! Why did you just scare me like that? Why? You play around too much. Stop trying to clickbait. I know what you were trying to do. You're not gonna fall over on me. Yo. Damn, Quinston. Why'd you do this to me? Why? Why'd you just clickbait for the cam? Why'd you clickbait for the tube, man? Come on, Quinston. It's not funny. Get up now. Get up. Get up. Quinston. No. No.